So, I wanted to wish everyone a happy World Mental Health Day and take this special day to kind of acknowledge the interesting interplay between mental health and plastic surgery as a facial plastic surgeon. So, mental health actually plays a big role in what I do and in caring for and talking to patients. And I kind of want to give you two examples of how this works. So, number one, in consulting with patients, I frequently tell patients no. And that's an answer you should hear from any honest cosmetic surgeon because you need to be doing plastic surgery for the right reason on the right person. And there's two reasons to say no. One is that technically we can't achieve the result. And number two is that mentally I'm not going to make you happy because you're looking for something that cosmetic surgery isn't going to fix. And so, if somebody's trying to fix an inside problem with an outside solution, that is where cosmetic surgery goes awry, and that is where things get out of control, and people keep doing more and more and looking really unnatural. And that's also where um, the bad the bad reputation of plastic surgery comes from with regards to mental health. Plastic surgery cannot fix a problem on the inside, and we need to do it for the right reasons. Second example is in patients that come to me and say, hey, I am living my best life, but I am getting older and I am noticing that my face does not fit what I am feeling on the inside. And these are patients that are well suited for facial plastic surgery. These are patients that have fixed everything on the inside. They are doing great from a mental health standpoint, and they feel like some of the changes they're seeing are holding them back. And they just want to be the best version of themselves, doing this to enable them to live the way they want to live. And those patients really excel, and those are what make my job so rewarding. Those are the patients I get the cards from, sometimes even years later, thanking me for, allowing them to do things that they never thought they could have done just because they were empowered and more confident by having a little bit of a tune up. And so, this World Mental Health Day, I just want to acknowledge that plastic surgery is not the enemy of mental health. And it's important to fix the problems on the inside before we work on fixing problems on the outside.